आजकल लोग हेल्थ के ऊपर बहुत चर्चा करते हैं, पर मेडिकल इमरजेंसीज का क्या? व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू एक्चुअली गेट वन? अब जाके देखते हैं कि लोगों को उनके हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के बारे में कितना पता है। चलिए देखते हैं। डू यू हैव हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस?
No.
Yes.
No, not really.
No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Do you know anything about health insurance?
मुझे थोड़ा बहुत पता है, but I want to learn more and want to apply and get one for myself.
I mean, it's a good safety bubble in case, touch wood, if any injury or, someone is affected due to an accident.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
तो ये आपने खुद के लिए लिया है कि did your parents or your company provided for you from the beginning?
We both. I have both.
Yeah, same. I have actually both and multiple insurances.
My family's got one for me and the company's also got one.
आपने कभी इंश्योरेंस लेने का सोचा है?
हाँ, future में I think I'll apply and I want one for myself.
Yeah, I've been planning to take one.
Do you know everything that's covered under the insurance?
Not really, no.
Do you have any documents on hand, like soft copy or hard copy, that you carry it with you?
Now that I think of it, no, none actually. Never even asked for it.
Yeah, pretty much. But like I'm not saying I'm the expert of it, but basic मालूम है कि room rent कितना होना चाहिए, कितना amount covered and etc.
Correct.
Like things like that.
Do you think health insurance is important, and why?
It's important. The health sector is getting really crazy with the prices and all that. Getting insured is a better option because then you don't have to,
Yeah.
don't have to spend on your from your savings basically.
I think the places now that the cities that we live in, जहाँ पे अभी कितना कोविड केसेस हो रहे हैं और अलग तरह की बीमारियां हो रही है, I think health insurance is a pretty good investment to make, and I would really like to make one in the future.
Let's say tomorrow आपको health insurance claim करना पड़े. So do you know who to call or do you know how to claim it yourselves?
I mean, now because it's digital, most of it, so hospital takes care in most cases because it's cashless. But otherwise, I think in reimbursement, the app really lets you know. But if you face a challenge, which generally happens in health insurance, I think then you need to call an executive and get it sorted. So that's the basic process. Yeah.
और आप?
I hope I don't have to like
Yeah, go through.
go through that. Yeah, but I think I'll probably reach out to folks, and I think, as she said, right, like hospital might do it on a cashless basis, so I'm relying on that. I've heard it from quite a lot of people that hospitals have cashless, so I definitely have a list of like cashless hospitals. So we'll go to those hospitals first, and then maybe get it.
हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के बेनिफिट्स आपको तब समझ में आएंगे जब आप उनको पूरी तरह से समझोगे, और उसको पूरी तरह समझने के लिए और सही इंश्योरेंस चुनने के लिए शुरू कीजिए कॉन्वर्सेशंस पे बीमा के साथ।